Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you how to install SDR Glut, I guess we could say, Glut, on a Raspberry Pi. Now, we have to install RT Audio, which I already done this in a previous video, but so I'll throw a link in the description for that. So, to install the SDR software here, we'll just go ahead and do an update, and I'll throw a link in the description to my website for this information, and I'll just throw a link on that web page also for this other video, which is on my website anyway, but we'll make it all work. Adjust my mic here. So anyway, we need to install a few dependencies here. Now some of these might already be on here, but we'll just double check. And that one needs installed. Then we'll just do a git clone, download it, and run a make, and we'll be set to go. So we'll let this run and I'll be back. Alright, so now with that installed, let's go to the next one. Got about a dozen things to set up here. So shouldn't take too long. Now I'm just doing this on a Pi 3 just for the purpose of this video, but Pi 4 would probably be a lot better. But we'll see. These files ain't very big. Not taking too long. We'll go ahead and clear that. Go with this one. And we got a couple more here. Alright, so now we just need to make sure we have Git installed, which I do. Then we can just clone the directory here. Must be on dial-up. Alright, so now that that's finally downloaded, we can CD into this guy. Then we can, let me just clear that. Then we can do the following. Type in this command right here. And if all goes well, this will work. So I'll just let this run and I'll be back. Alright, so now this is complete. So we can finish up with that. So I am VNC'd into my Pi here that's running this. So what we need to do now is type in the following. Hit enter. Now I got a RTL plugged into the computer here, into the Pi. And as you can see, we have this little box here. We'll just click on radio. Now you got your sample rate and so forth. We're just going to click default. This piece of software is new to me, so I'm learning just like you guys. So anyway, as you can see here, we got some information up. So this is definitely pretty generic, but this is going to be a learning curve, but just wanted to show how to install this. And if we click the About, we got some information there, which is very little. File. We can open up a file. So there we go. Oh, let me open that back up. Then radio, then quit. So so if we just click default, let's see what that does. Or if it's just going to do the same thing. Alright, so it's pretty much the same thing. I guess there's your center frequency, then the frequency over here, then your power. But we'll just quit. Yes. Now I'm running, this is a Pi 3, so I mean a Pi 4 would be excellent for this. I mean it is actually pretty responsive even going through the VNC. So anyway, like I said, I'll throw a link in the description, and hopefully this helps out getting this at least installed, and maybe we'll do another follow-up video on what we can use this for. So alright, thanks for watching.